We have a great story, we think. Well, 25 years ago, when we both came back for
A reunion.
we met each other, and we've known each other now for 25 years. So this is really our 25th reunion back here at Brown together, which we think is pretty exciting.
Not bad.
Well, I have to say that I had never, when I had been at Brown, been invited to a campus dance, and I was dying to go. And I happened to meet Chuck at the cocktail party ahead of time, and Chuck said, "We will have that dance.
Right.
We will have a dance." And we did. And we still know each other 25 years later.
And she still speaks to me.
And we went to campus dance on Saturday night.
And we danced up a storm.
Yes, we did.
Magical?
Was it magical?
Of course.
Yeah, yes, it was magical. It was magical.
And we are too.